she looked down, she saw some flowers dying. "What a pity," she said. "The flowers below are dying." "Yes, the flowers are dying. They need you," said the Cloud Fairy, who appeared suddenly. "Go down below, give them a drink." "I cannot," said the Raindrop. "I belong up here. I am a part of the rainbow colors. I sparkle like a diamond for all the world to see. Fall to the earth and give a drink to the lovely flowers," said the Cloudy Fairy. "Then you will become a part of the lily and the sweet rose too." "But I will be dying with the lily and the rose," said the Raindrop. "But you will become a part of the earth," said the Cloud Fairy. "You will dissolve till you will give to new flowers that bloomed from day to day." "Ah, that is wonderful," said the Raindrop. "Every day I will be useful to God and His people." And so the little raindrop fell on the flowers. The flowers became alive and happy. The little raindrop became the friends of the flowers. She stayed with them. She kept the flowers fresh, happy, and beautiful. Thank you, Angel. It's time for fourth finally. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dison. Let us welcome Sally Nicole S. Dison.